Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to go over how to make an untagged document accessible by using Prepare for Accessibility in Adobe Acrobat. I have a lot to go over, so I will make this into a three-part series. Let's get started. So I have my untagged document open. Under All Tools, I'm going to click View More, scroll down and select Prepare for Accessibility. And one of the first things I can do is to automatically tag the PDF. All right, now that that's done, the two panels that I will be looking at the most is going to be this reading order panel and the accessibility tags panel. If you don't see your accessibility tags panel, you can click View, Show Hide, Side Panels, and enable it from there. If your document is untagged, you wouldn't be able to set a reading order because it wouldn't have any defined text to order. So now that we have a tag, I can check the reading order. This is going to be helpful for screen readers because screen readers read in a logical order. So I do have untagged document title. This is good. I can just click through and double check if everything is in order. I can also check the reading order by selecting Fix Reading Order. This pop-up is going to show. From here, if your reading panel is not open, you can click Show Reading Panel and it will take you there. There's an icon in the corner of each section. This is your structure. You can view your structure types or you can switch to page content so that you can just see the order. I usually like just seeing a number, but both is helpful. So first is untagged document. That is correct. The second is going to be heading 1. I actually would like to have the image before heading 1, so I can click and drag that up here. So now first, second is the image, and then we go into header 1. And then it has header 3. That's not correct. The next item should be this paragraph underneath header 1. So I can search for that. It starts with defining which text. So that's here. I will drag that up under heading 1. Next should be heading 2, which is currently number 7, and that will go after that paragraph. The paragraph under heading 2 starts with screen readers. I need to click and grab that and put it under heading 2. So as you can see, we auto-tagged this document, but the reading order is not correct. After this paragraph talking about alternative text, I would like this image to be next. It is currently number 13. I will drag that up. And then we can go into another heading 1. If I want to manually highlight and tag this document, I can. Let's clear the page structure because let's say that you auto tagged it and it's just not right. It would be easier for me to do this myself. When you have the reading order panel open and you hover over the document, you will notice that the cursor changes. I can click and drag and it's going to select all of the letters, and then I can select heading 1 for my title. And then I can click and drag this as a subtitle and I want this to be header 2. You can see the order that you click and highlight. I'm going to make this a figure, is the order that your reading order will be as well. So let's see that. Here's my reading order. If I want, I can change to see everything as the page content order. Click and drag, select heading 1, click and drag. This is a paragraph. And then you continue doing that for the entire document. This is a table. I can click and drag highlight the entire table, and then I can select table. So that is how you can manually set the tags and the reading order. This is the end of part 1. And part 2, I will go over the accessibility tags panel in more detail. See you then.